Hello guys, it's your boy Rex here, and today I'm going to share with you a new strategy that I'm using to make more sales on Clickbank. So using free traffic. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can use this method as well to make a lot of sales with Clickbank fast using free traffic. So let's get right into the method. So first thing you have to do, as always, you have to go to Clickbank, go to the affiliate marketplace. Once you're at Clickbank, you just click on this search icon to see the best performing products on Clickbank, and you can choose any of these products that have a good gravity. A good gravity means that the product is selling well. A lot of people are making sales with this, so you have to sell something that a lot of people are already getting sales with it, which means that it's converting well. So look for products with high gravity, like this one, 291 gravity, 230 gravity, which means that these products are performing very well on Clickbank. So once you choose a product on Clickbank, with this strategy, you have to go on. With this strategy, what you have to do next is to create a free Instagram account. With this method, I'm going to show you how to make increase your sales with a free Instagram account. So if you have an Instagram account already, I'm going to show you the new method that I'm using to make more sales from Instagram. Instead of just link in the bio, I'm going to show you how to make more sales, how to be more effective and make more sales with Clickbank using this method. So once you create a free Instagram account in a niche, for example, this is my account, it's in the spirituality niche. You have to go to a website called postearly.com. So what this tool enables you is it will enable you to automate your Instagram posts, and it's going to Instagram followers. You can DM Instagram followers to make more sales. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. So you just go to postearly.com, and there's a free trial. I think there's a free 7-day trial, and you can get started with the trial. So once you sign up for the free trial, just click on my account. So you can once you log in, you have to go to accounts to add a new account. So these are some of my accounts that I've added inside this software. So once you come here, you just click. For you, it will be empty since you don't have any accounts added into this software. So you just click on add new accounts, and you'll be able to add your Instagram accounts. You can add many Instagram accounts using this software. So this software is going to enable you to do Instagram posts on autopilot, which means that you don't have to be there every day to post on Instagram, and you're still going to get a lot of you're still going to be able to add posts on Instagram. So what it does is that you can go to add posts, click on this icon, and you can schedule posts, and they'll be posted later in the day. Or you can schedule even post for 1 week, and it's going to be posted automatically on Instagram without you being there, and it's going to send you traffic to your affiliate links, and you're going to be making sales on autopilot, and you can be doing something else. So once you go on add post, you're just going to select which of the Instagram accounts you want this post to be on. So for example, I'm going to choose this my account. Just choose this account, then you can upload an image. You just click on upload, and you can upload an image. That's it. You can upload an image to this software, and the next thing you have to do is just click on write caption. Write caption means what the description of your Instagram post. For example, this is what I wrote. I just pasted this inside there. So you can click on post now. If I click on post now, it's going to be posted on my Instagram account. So that's it. If you click on view post, you're going to see it's posted on my Instagram account. So what you can do next, if you want to schedule the post, you can add a lot of posts in this software, and just click on this icon down here, and choose the time that you want it to be posted. Just choose the time. So you can So I can schedule this to be posted at 11:29 and just click on schedule, and that's it, guys. Then I can add a new post. For example, just click on the time you want it to be scheduled, or you can choose the day where you want it to be scheduled. So like today is on the 19th, I can say I want this post to be published on Monday the 22nd. I'll just click on the date, and I can also change the time when I want it to be posted and the minutes, and just click on schedule post. And you can change also the description of the post. So that's it, guys. Once if you want to post to the next if you want to schedule to the next Instagram account, just click on this icon. Just click on this icon and choose the account you want to post on. So you can schedule post for even 1 week or 2 weeks with this method. So you can have a lot of Instagram accounts and schedule posts. You can take even 1 hour and schedule posts for the next 1 week with this method. So that's it, guys. So let me show you guys another powerful method that is going to make you to make a lot of sales faster with this method. Why this software is so amazing. So the next thing you have to do is to go on auto DM new followers. Auto DM new followers means that it's going to send a DM to all new followers that are going to come into your Instagram account. So if someone follows your account, for example, any new follower that I have on this account, they're going to send an automated message to me. They're going to send an automated message to this follower. So let me show you guys. So you're going to go to auto DM new followers, and you're going to choose the accounts which you want to send auto DM to the new followers. So you're just it's going to be off. It's going to be like this, off. So what you have to do is just click on this icon and click on, and that is it. Then you're going to click on messages tab. On messages tab, you're just going to type the message that you want your new followers to get once they follow you. So this is one of the messages that I already put in this software. So once you type the message, just click on save. Then you'll be going to save right here, and that is it, guys. Any new follower that is going to follow your account is going to get this message. So what is good about this method is that you can send this DM to all your new followers with your affiliate link. For example, this is my link inside, and they're able to check my numerology product on Clickbank. So if they click on this link, it's going to take them to my numerology link. So if you click on this link, they're going to go to my numerology affiliate product, and they are able to buy. So you're going to be able to get a lot of clicks from this. I've gotten a lot of clicks and sales using this method. So this is very powerful, guys. For example, now I have 1,000 followers, so I've sent up to 1,000 DMs to my new followers, and many of them are going to check it out through the DMs. So guys, all you have to do now, you have to take action on this method and implement this to get results. Just sign up for this software, Postearly. I think they have a 7-day free trial, and you can add many accounts and use this method and free up some time, and you can add many Instagram accounts. It means that you have an opportunity to use to get 10 times more traffic that you're going to get with one account. So you can automate your Instagram following, and you can also get more sales on Clickbank because you are going to get more traffic. So take action on this method and add more Instagram accounts to get more sales. So you take action and implement this method, and you're going to make sales with it. If you don't take action, you're not going to get any results. So please take action on this method, and that is it, guys. The only thing you have to do is take action. If you don't take action, no results. So take action, and guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. So if you want to learn my step-by-step method to make my most recommended method to make sales fast on Clickbank and make money online, click on the link in the description below and you're going to find it there. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.